Hello, I'm Amy Dopps. Thank you for requesting this seasonal color sample kit. There are 4 seasons, 3 subcategories in each for a total of 12 seasons. And out on social media and YouTube, there are lots of opinions, lots of noise, and some good tips here and there as well. My goal as a personal beauty consultant and stylist is to help take the confusion out of beauty, and that's what we're going to do together with this seasonal color sample kit. Included in there are 3 eyeshadows, 1 cheek color, a lipstick, and a gloss. Use as much or as little as you'd like based on your specific color preferences. Now, I want to share with you about the samples and how they work. For the eyeshadow and blush, there's a little clear film that you'll want to lift up and maybe rip off totally because it's going to try to become your best friend and stick to you. And then for the lipstick and glosses, turn it over to the back and find a little flap, peel it open, and then you can experience them. Now, as far as color application, I'll share a couple quick tips. First of all, the middle color of eyeshadow with your eye open, come above your crease. Then with the lightest color, down here on the lower part of your lid, and then with the darker color, work it toward the outside edge. Some women like to come straight up and down and blend it. Others like to make a V. It really just depends on the eye shape that God gave you. But of course, I'm always here if you have more questions about makeup tips. I'd be honored to help. Now, I'm super thankful to get your opinion and feedback. So please make sure to scan the QR code on the back side of your seasonal color sample kit. And of course, if you fell in love, I'd be honored to hook you up. And just make sure to scan the QR code on the upper right-hand corner to learn about some sales and specials. But even if you don't shop with me, I'm super excited to learn together and to get your feedback and opinions. Have a great day.